Here's how to block ads on Twitch using Wave browser's built-in ad blocker. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download and install Wave browser. Head over to their official website and download the browser for your operating system. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install Wave browser. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Now that you have Wave browser installed, be sure to upgrade to Wave Pro to access the ad blocker. Open Wave browser and click on the two toggle switch icons in the upper right corner to open the control center. In the control center, you will see an option labeled Wave Ad Blocker. Toggle the switch next to the ad blocker to turn it on. And that's it. With Wave browser's built-in ad blocker enabled, you can now enjoy your Twitch streams without any interruptions from ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.